Your classroom tools should match your teaching style, and that includes what shows up when you pick up a pen. In this video, we'll show you how to customize a magic line pen and shape pen using our images or your own, and set a default so your board is ready from the start. Click myViewBoard to access your settings and get started. In the left menu, click Magic Line Pen. You'll land directly on the Google Drive view. The Magic Line Pen reveals the background gradually with each stroke, creating an engaging visual effect. It's especially useful for unveiling hidden content in a creative or interactive manner. If your connected Google Drive folder is empty, click Update Files to upload PNG or JPG images. A new tab opens with your Google Drive. Proceed to upload your image files into the Magic Line Pen folder. These need to be added directly to that folder to appear in the list. Once uploaded, return to the Settings page and refresh your browser. Your images will now show up as options. You can also switch to the myViewBoard default tab to use built-in image options instead. Click Set as Default under any image to make it load automatically when you use the pen. To reset it, click Clear Default below the current preview. Next, click Shape Pen in the left-hand menu. The Shape Pen acts like a stamp, creating repeating geometric shapes with each stroke. Great for building diagrams or quick visual aids. Just like before, add PNG or JPG files to the Shape Pen folder in your cloud drive. Then return here and refresh the page to sync your files. Use the myViewBoard default tab to select from the preloaded options. Click Set as Default under a shape to auto-load it. Now when you pick up the Magic Line or Shape Pen, your preset images will appear instantly, ready to teach your way. To set up your own pen visuals, head to myviewboard.com and log in. And when you're ready to see these pens in action, watch our next video. Use the pen tool to annotate.